Hi, my name is Tinchu and welcome to my CryptoPlanet product review. Today I'm going to show you about this product, CryptoPlanet. So what is this CryptoPlanet all about? So CryptoPlanet is a fully monetized crypto site builder. It can convert massive addicted traffics into leads, commissions, and sales. So if you have any e-commerce store or affiliate link store, it is built into this website as well. So trending article dashboard and calendar planner manager with an unlimited free hosting included. This site is user friendly, no coding is required, no monthly fees, done for you offers built in for ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus. It also has an AdSense to profit for every click. You can set up your own custom domain. New crypto site cloud software. Email list building. Profits, you can monetize these buyers list. Post stream dashboard. Free hosting. Step-by-step video tutorial. And it will provide a live webinar. So if this is something that you're interested in, please stick with me as we are going into more details and I will be giving you a full demo. And I have some awesome bonuses too. So this is the sales page of CryptoPlanet. Yeah. 3 simple steps, crypto news dashboard, how to monetize all your crypto sites that is already monetized with a crypto affiliate offer. Yeah, e-com store with products and AdSense to get paid for every click. And then your site is ready. Okay. So it's actually for new, because there's only a few percent in this population who has a knowledge of cryptocurrency. So it's never too late to join and learn this cryptocurrency. So you can learn things, a lot of things. So with Crypto Market Planet, there is a really huge demand right now. For instance, during in this COVID madness, all the stocks went down, but all the cryptocurrency price has went up. So can you imagine Bitcoin right now is already priced 62,000, and some of the new like a small like a new cryptocurrency, all the price has went up. ADA, when we purchased, it was like 90 cents, and right now it's already $1.40. And also Mayota is already $2. So yeah. So Coinbase, crypto.com. So these are the news like where you get from the Coindesk, Crypto.com, and News BTC site. So now we're going to log in into this website, the membership website, and it takes a few seconds to get into the site. So here are the dashboards. Now we can start clicking these manage links. So manage affiliate links, these are the wallet clouds where you are a member. Let's say you do trading on eToro, or you buy cryptocurrency from Coinbase, or you also trade in Binance. All you need to do is just copy and paste all your affiliate link over here. If you are not a member, simply just get your affiliate link and you can add it here. So the reason being, you need to upload this link when someone wants to purchase eToro and click your site, then that person is your, like, you know, when they purchase, you get a referral bonus from the company. Okay. And the next one is crypto mining clouds. So some crypto fan, they would prefer mining. So these are the mining products, mining companies. So MinerGate, CCG Mining, Hash Shiny, CryptoTab. So if you have a link, affiliate link, just simply copy it here. ClickBank crypto products like Crypto Ultimatum, Trend Indicator, MetaTrader 4, Tradeonex, Victory Crypto, Cryptoversity. And lastly, Udemy crypto courses. So it's like an educational kind of site where you can monetize. So let's say for beginners who wants to learn about Bitcoin, so if they want to learn, then they simply click Bitcoin 101. Once this person click, the site will be, you will be paid for commission and sales. So certified Bitcoin professional, Bitcoin algorithmic, and so on. And they also have a create your own cryptocurrency for those who likes to build their own software. Next, let's see on top. The next link that we can click is the trending post. So this trending post where you can, some of the posts is already done for you, and you can also add your posting. Like you can select, it's not only about crypto, you can select general news, business, technology, and investment. So it's up to you. Yeah. So over here, when you create this post, you can edit. You can, after when there's like an error on the spelling, so you edited it, and then after that, you can post now or schedule it like in the later date. So this is how the website looks like. And in addition to this, there's also a widget on the site. Like there's a tab for eToro, tab for Binance, Coinbase, and etc. And all the mining affiliate links, it's also be reflected into this website. So whether people are reading and they click on the tab, then you are making, you're making sales. The next tab that we can click is the calendar. This calendar is a super amazing calendar I've ever seen. It's very, very, very simple. So let's say, you have created a content for the 8th of May, and then, and then there's like, you can edit it or schedule it. Let's say you're not able to finish on this date, you can move it on the 9th and then schedule it, and the website will be uploaded automatically. Yeah. So you just do your own research, and the rest of the tab, it's just my store, or you want to upgrade your account, yeah, and your profile and your ads on. So that's it. So this is the sample calendar earlier, and this one is the video tutorial. So membership area, welcome, register your CryptoPlanet site, homepage overview training, trending post dashboard training, the site outline and calendar, get and manage affiliate links. How do you get that, and how do you manage your affiliate links? Get Udemy links, how to manage ads, change logo and favicon. So basically this CryptoPlanet site, they have a built-in 300 logo. But if you have your own preference on the logo for your site, you can actually use your personal logo. And logo creation, add custom domain, list building. These are like a buyer's contact list or email list, which is a very, it's a gold mine for an affiliate marketer. Add shops page, like if you have e-commerce, e-com shop online, you can add it here, Shopify or whatever. You can add also an Amazon affiliate. manage widget. Like I said earlier, you can rearrange the widget of, let's say, like eToro, the cryptocurrency pricing, the market pricing. So you can rearrange that whether you want it on top, on the side, or in the bottom. AdSense. Yeah, that's about it. Okay. And to our bonus offer, we can look at I have a lot of awesome bonuses for you. So guys, if you are interested in this product, there is a huge 70% discount on this CryptoPlanet product. Within 4 days and 15 hours, you will get a 70% discount. Yeah. And it's very, very, very sold at a low pricing. So these are the pricing, 27 to 47 US dollar. It's very affordable to have your own website. So everything is fully monetized. And I have created 5 bonuses for you. So number 1 is how to monetize a crypto site builder. So that's one that you will learn. Number 2, how to get traffic to your CryptoPlanet using this method. And the third bonus is how to build buyers list. Number 4, learn Facebook ads from the best. So you will learn from it. And lastly, vendor bonuses. So if you're interested and if you're curious, about this website, simply click the description down below and there is a URL, and you can see this content, and also you can click on the bonus page as well. And any of the bonus page, just click it there. Thank you for watching. And lastly, I'm going to share to you this CryptoPlanet video. I think it will take about 4 minutes to play.
The truth is that there are many great missed opportunities you missed out on simply because you cannot predict the future. No human can. One of the latest and best missed opportunities was buying Bitcoin in 2011 when it was priced at $1, an all-time high at that time. It's crazy to think that within just 10 years, the price of Bitcoin increased over $50,000. If you were to spend $100 to buy Bitcoin in 2011, your investment would be worth millions today. Lots of money. The crypto business is hands down the most lucrative business today. There's just nothing like it. You've probably heard the news about crypto billionaires or crypto whales, and interestingly, most of these guys are normal people just like you and me. They made millions, even billions of dollars within just years and sometimes even months. Now, be honest. Have you ever said to yourself, if only I had entered the crypto business way back when it started? Because if that has ever been on your mind, I got news for you. It's not too late to jump into the cryptocurrency market and grab your share of this lucrative industry. What I'm about to tell you doesn't have anything to do with buying, trading, or investing in crypto. This is an evergreen business that can become more and more profitable in the long run. There are millions of crypto fans out there. These are hungry buyers actively searching for new content and the latest and best offers about their favorite crypto assets. The demand for crypto products and crypto info is growing and only getting started. Look at this graph. It shows how people's interest in Bitcoin continuously increased as the price continued to rise. So more and more people are ready to invest, learn, and buy crypto-related products. They read up on all things crypto and are ready to open their wallets to buy. Just give them what they need, and by doing that, you can easily lead them to crypto products or crypto deals that you're partnered with as an affiliate. Imagine the power of the affiliate business in the billion-dollar crypto market. People make insane money with this too. And just like every other online business, you won't need anything besides a good website to pull this off. It just couldn't be easier than that. The bad news is, building a crypto site with affiliate offers and crypto products is not easy. It requires technical skills beyond what you're capable of, not to mention that it also requires a lot of your time and effort. So, what can you do about this? Fortunately, there's a new solution that makes the process of building your own crypto site fast and easy. Introducing CryptoPlanet, the world's first crypto site builder with cutting-edge technology and the best crypto affiliate offers, done for you, ready out of the box. CryptoPlanet is an advanced technology platform that allows you to build your crypto business with just a few clicks. It is fully monetized with 30 pre-made, highly profitable campaigns so you can start earning money right away. These campaigns include offers to crypto wallet affiliate programs, mining sites with big commissions, Udemy crypto courses, and ClickBank crypto info products. CryptoPlanet also runs an integrated, cutting-edge e-commerce store full of mining products to maximize the income from your crypto site. And it comes with ready-to-go, built-in real-time charts and price tickers that display changes, market cap, trading volume, coin charts, and the latest updates on the cryptocurrency markets. And it works with all the cryptocurrencies on the market today, which is well over 2,000 coins. CryptoPlanet is also equipped with opt-in forms and pop-ups, so you can build your list and earn money from your traffic at the same time. It also supports all autoresponders and connects to Zapier. How about crypto-related trending content that makes your site a crypto fan magnet? Let's look at the trending crypto news dashboard. Here you can see the latest top news stories combined, all pulled from the best sources all over the internet. You can pick up which stories you want to show and make the content unique with one single click. It's that easy. Next, CryptoPlanet has a groundbreaking main planner. This easy planner allows you to set it, customize it, and forget it. It's the brain of your whole site. And to help you visualize your entire content, you have the site calendar. This helpful visual calendar helps you oversee your whole site plan with a bird's eye view. All of these features combine to create an unstoppable, profit-generating machine, ready to take advantage of the most profitable market ever. It just works right out of the box. You're getting everything you need to succeed with this. Once your site launches, you're ready to watch your site grow over time, develop a good reputation with your readers, bring in traffic, and generate profits. Don't forget, there's no coding to learn, no articles to write. CryptoPlanet handles the technical stuff for you. Are you ready to start earning passive income? Remember, this is a limited time offer. Act now before it's too late. This offer will expire as soon as the launch ends. After that, you won't see a tool like CryptoPlanet at a price this low again. You don't see offers like this every day. Get instant access and start to profit from CryptoPlanet today. Thank you for your time, and thank you for choosing CryptoPlanet.
All right.